It's another day, so get ready with me as I go out to make my hair. So I just finished washing my hair here. You can see how short my hair is now. If you want to know why, please do well to watch my previous videos. I talked about what happened, my bad salon experience. So here I'm just applying my leave-in conditioner from Sheer Moisture. Because I'm in a hurry, I didn't have time to apply it in sections, so I just rubbed it all over. And even as I'm doing this, I'm making sure that it touches all the strands, and at the same time I am avoiding the product on my scalp. Next, I'm going in with my hair oil. As you can see, I'm using Miel Organics. They are strengthening hair oil. This one is good for both the hair and the scalp. So I applied it in sections like this until I made sure it touched all my hair strands. Then after that, I'm going to blow dry my hair. Remember what happened in my previous experience? I talked about it in my previous videos. So I went to this salon to blow dry my hair, and the lady blow dried my hair in less than 2 minutes and ended up tangling, and I lost a lot of hair. So because of the experience today, I will be blow drying my hair at home. I made sure that I started with my heat protectant. So I'm going to be applying the heat protectant in small sections. Then after that, I'll go in with the blow dryer. So I will be doing this in small sections until I am done with the entire head. And after each small sections, I'll make sure I twist it down so that it doesn't shrink. You know, our hair is prone to shrinkage. Now look at my hair very well. You can see how scanty the tips are because of one bad experience. And this is after I have trimmed off over 4 inches of my hair. I have trimmed off over 4 inches of my hair, and this is what I got. So here I'm going to take down the twist, and I'll do the final blow drying. And then I'm going to style it. I don't like these light colored hair ruffles, but my dark colored hair ruffles were wet. So that was why I couldn't use them. I decided to use this light colored. It looks childish, but I just had to manage. So I dressed up. admired myself a bit in the mirror before I decided to pack my bag. So first of all, I carried my purse, carried my white tooth comb, which came in handy, my rat tail comb, my scissors. I also carried my cord, my charging cord, and my power bank, and my hair cream. I actually use it in growing my edges, and it works, just that I'm inconsistent. So here I got to the salon. I had purchased my extension, so I got 2 packs of this for 4,500 naira, 2 of them for 9,000 naira. So here the work had started, and it was here I realized that I had chosen the wrong extension. I wanted my twist to be straight, but this one had a little bit of curls in it, but there was nothing I could do. And this was like 3 hours later. We started from the back, and I ended up spending about 6 hours, and here we were done. So the experience was not a bad one. It was a good experience this time around. The only problem was that she wanted to use a rat tail comb to comb out my hair. Thank God I came with my white tooth comb. I just brought out my white tooth comb and she used that, and that was it. And 7 hours later, I'm back home. So here I'm looking at myself in my own mirror, admiring the hair. I'll give it a 6/10. Not what I really wanted, but it looks like what I wanted. So watch out for my next videos on how I will be wearing this hair. I'll be doing different styles. I'll be wearing it in different styles, and I'm sure you'll like to see it, because you can't be boring with a hair like this. You have to try different things, different looks. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.